Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Milo Popsicle. Gather 1 cup milk, 3 tablespoon Milo, 2 tablespoon sugar, and your popsicle molds now. Stir the mixture until sugar dissolves and Milo blends smoothly into the milk. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed, then pour into molds, leaving a small gap for expansion. Insert sticks and chill briefly before freezing fully for best texture and flavor. Start by measuring 1 cup milk and 3 tablespoon Milo with 2 tablespoon sugar for a balanced base. Warm the milk slightly if you want the Milo to dissolve faster and whisk vigorously for a smooth, lump-free mix. Add a splash of vanilla or a tablespoon of condensed milk if you prefer extra creaminess. Let the mixture cool to room temperature before filling molds to keep ice crystals minimal. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting timers, playing chill tunes while you whisk, and even reading recipes hands-free. It brings your kitchen to life with simple voice control. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the cooled Milo mixture into molds, leaving about 0.3 inch at the top to allow for expansion during freezing. Tap molds gently on the counter to remove air bubbles and insert sticks straight so they stay centered as the mixture firms. Freeze the molds on a flat surface for at least 6 hours or overnight if possible. To unmold, briefly run warm water on the outside of the molds to release the popsicles cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.